Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about new custom ROM for Redmi 5A Raiva. Here you can see this is the Redmi 5A. Let's check the specification of this ROM. Here you can see this is the Android version 10 based ROM. This is Pixel Experience ROM latest. This is Pixel Experience Plus ROM. Here you can see for Raiva Redmi 5A Android version 10 में मिल जाएगा देखने के लिए. Official ROM, this is the official version available for Redmi 5A. Today we will test this ROM. We will test each and every features of this ROM, and 5 November security patch is available in this ROM kernel 4.9. Here you can see this is the 14th December build available. December build is not released yet, so this is the latest build available right now. So let's just check the features of this ROM. Here you can see this is the logo of our Pixel Experience Plus ROM. Let's check the battery performance of this ROM is good. Battery performance is better than average. So you can see, let's check the battery usage. Here you can see 5 days left. It is saying 5 days left, but it will not work. First let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working perfectly, no problem in the Wi-Fi. You can easily use the Wi-Fi without any problem. You can easily connect here with our device. You can easily connect. Let's check the hotspot. Hotspot is also working perfectly, no problem in the hotspot. Here is the hotspot. Notification light is also working perfectly, no problem in the notification light. Let me check you in the other device. Here is our device. Let's check the hotspot. Here you can see this is the Redmi 556. You can easily connect without any problem. I have already tested each and every feature, so don't worry. I will tell you each and every bug of this ROM which I faced in my video. Let's check the Bluetooth of this device. Bluetooth is working perfectly, no problem in Bluetooth. You can easily pair your device. It does not disconnect or reboot. Your Bluetooth is working perfectly in this ROM. Let me pair it. Bluetooth device is successfully connected. Active 60% battery remaining. Here is the battery percentage. Bluetooth battery remaining is also showing in this ROM. Let's check the features of this ROM. Let's check the display. Here is the brightness level. Brightness level is 100% working perfectly. There is no problem in the brightness level. Dark theme is also working perfectly. Here is the pure black theme. Here you can see you cannot change any other theme. Let's like the night light is also working perfectly. Here you can see you can easily adjust the intensity. It works perfectly, no problem in night light. It does not turn automatically. Whichever I will face the bug, I will tell you in the description. You can check the description. Also adaptive brightness is also working perfectly, no problem in the adaptive brightness. You can switch turn on the adaptive brightness from here also, or turn off it from here also. Here is the styles and wallpaper. Here you can see. Let's check the custom, whether which font is available. Here you can change the fonts also. These are the 4 fonts. These are icons. You can change the icons also. Here is the color. There are a few colors available only. Here is the shape. Not much customization available in this ROM, so it is better to use stock Android if you want to enjoy the stock Android experience. So you can install this ROM, and the gaming performance of this ROM is good, but not best. You can change the font size, display size. It's working perfectly. Let's check the lock screen. Here is the lock screen. There is no always on display available. When to show new notification is available only. There is no always on display available. Skip lock screen. Here you can see double tap to sleep, double tap to wake is on the lock screen is available. Here you can see double tap to sleep is working on the status bar. Here you can see double tap to lock is working perfectly. Double tap to wake, double tap to lock is working perfectly, no problem. Prevent accidental wake up is also working perfectly if the sensor works of your device or not. Or let's check the sound. Sound is working perfectly, no problem in sound. No, there is no sound problem. Vibration is also working perfectly, no problem in vibration. Vibrate Geo is working perfectly. Volt is also working perfectly. Touch vibration, navigation vibration, touch is working perfectly, no problem. Storage 7.21 GB storage free, but there are few files in my storage, so approximate I will tell you about the storage at the last. Let's say the security face unlock is available in this ROM. Let's check the face unlock. How fast is the face unlock? Here you can see. Let's me apply the pin first. After that we will check the face unlock. Let's check the face unlock. How fast is the face unlock? How fast the face unlock works? Let me apply the face unlock. I successfully applied the face unlock. Let's check the speed of the face unlock. Here you can see speed of the face unlock is good, no problem in the speed. Here you can see. Let's check again. Face unlock, the speed is good but not best, and speed is not faster but it is good. Google account is included in this ROM. No need to flash any open gaps, lame gaps, bit gaps, so don't worry. all included. We will also check if the device is certified or not. Here is the buttons option. If you want to enable the navigation bar, if the hardware button does not work in your device, you can enable the navigation bar also. You can use the gestures. Here is the gestures. If you enable the gestures, your navigation, your hardware buttons will be disabled. 2 buttons is also available, 3 button is also available. You can switch according to your use. It was perfectly compact. Layout is also available. Invert layout, you can invert the layout also. Here you can see power menu options are available. Answer keys, volume keys, here the volume buttons, home buttons. You can change according to your use. All the features are working perfectly, no problem in each and every features have worked perfectly. Here the status bar network traffic indicator is available in this ROM. Here you can see network traffic indicator, how much fast speed is coming. Internet speed is available. You can change according to your use. Traffic management, you also measurement you can also change. So second is available in the clock icon. System icon, these are the system icons. Show 4G instead of LTE मिल जाएगा देखने के लिए. डाटा मोबाइल डाटा is available. Here you can see battery style circle is available. Text is available. Battery percentage inside is available. Here you can see it works perfectly smoothly. Small PM is available in small. Brightness slider, here you can see automatic brightness slider is available. You enable if you want to enable this automatic brightness or not. ROM quick settings. Quick pull down is available. It was perfectly vibration on touch. QS, if you enable the vibration on touch, you will feel the vibrate on QS tiles. These are the status bar tiles. Row, you can adjust the rows, how many rows you want. Rows in landscape. Columns, you can check the columns style. Here the flip, rotate, flip is available. Here you can see it flips. Bluetooth is working perfectly, no problem in Bluetooth. Interpolator is overshoot. Here you can see you can adjust according to your animation. You can adjust the animation according to your use. It works perfectly. Here is the system update. No system update is available from here. You can update your TradeWRP only. If the Android 11 ROM is available, I will upload the video, so you can subscribe our channel for daily updates. So these are the few apps. Let's check the AnTuTu benchmark test. Here is the score. Here you can see this is the score available in our device. GPU is 0. यहाँ पे why 0 I don't know. Is not supported. It is saying GPU is not supported, but the games are working in this ROM, so don't worry. Memory performance is this. US data processor speed, you can see 2.7 increase. यहाँ पे temperature 26.6 degree highest temperature goes to, and 3% battery drop. Battery drop is better than average. Battery backup is better than average. Recorder is working perfectly. Mic is working perfectly. Each and every in volume mic, volume keys in mic, in call is working perfectly. Safety net is passed, no problem in safety net. You can easily use the banking application. Jio is working perfectly. Jio application working perfectly. Device is certified. Google Play device is certified, no problem. So you can enjoy this ROM for daily use also. If you want to install this ROM, you can check the description. Installation video is in the description. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.